this is a video that probably won't make it. The camera will bollocks up or something will go wrong. But this is our Volvo vented disc calipers. Right, I'm going to start again. There's our Volvo 245 calipers, right? And there's our seal kit from the big red Meisters, right? Absolutely brilliant people. Recommend them for everybody. Now, there's our pistons, and they fit. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Now, my actual cylinders are being blasted, so I'm actually quite good. And you're right, I am going to put them together tonight. Okay guys, it's Ed doing the calipers. Now I started to show you this video, but the camera started dicking about. So whether it came out, whether you're going to get it, I don't know. But let's be honest, if you don't get it, does it matter? Because you probably won't ever do your calipers anyway. You probably do like most people, which what I should have done. Sorry about that. Is send them and have them done, which I would have done. But we're in the middle of a pandemic. The pandemic sort of make it difficult for people to do things. So these are new pistons, and what you do is you put the seal in, then you put the seal on your new piston, right, like that, and you push it in, and what happens is you end up with a rebuilt caliper. Now admittedly, my rebuilt caliper is not, I've got some heat-proof paint coming, well I'm going to get some tomorrow. I haven't got any coming, sorry, I lied. I'm lying. I'm a liar. I'm a liar now. I'm a liar. Anyway, so that's one. That's a pair. So see that one there's that one, Dad. That's his mate. And I've got the other ones in here still. So I'm either going to do them now or I'm not going to do them. Possibly I'm going to do them because why not? So what I will say to you guys is, you didn't get to see the greasy bit, but maybe if I can turn the camera on and if you're really interested in seeing how you do your own calipers, then you might get to see it. If you're not interested, then don't bloody look, because to be honest, mate, buy some rebuilt ones, because they're all 50-year-old anyway. But they're older than 50-year-old, to be honest. Because these are off a Volvo with vented discs, and that's what I'm going to use on this. Using vented disc Volvo calipers. So I am not doing it as in factory, and I'm getting covered in crap, as you see. So the camera's getting covered in crap, I'm getting covered in crap. In fact, we're all covered in crap. So I think we got to just stop trying to doing this. If you get to see it, fine. Rad, rust killed, rust kill, rust kill, rust kill. Turn it into black crap. Give it a wide brush, paint it black. Good. Anti-roll bar, ready to go on. Gearbox, we don't talk about. And this piece of crap. Fuel tank, a little bit more done. Not a lot, but a little bit more. It's got to go for jet wash. So I'm going to say to you guys, I hope, because I am covered in. I'm covered in bloody oil. I'm going to go around here. I'm going to go around here. There's my exhaust manifolds. Aren't they sexy? Look at those. Look at those. Look at those. Look at those. Look. Look at that. Look at that. Eh? That's the manifolds we're using. You know why? Because we got them. Because those two are the same, and £100 each. I'm not buying any more bloody manifolds for this piece of crap. So it's going to get 6-branch extractor manifolds on it. It's going to be a flying machine, but it's 2-inch SUs with big needles, which obviously it's got. But you know it should have triples. Yeah, it should have triples, and maybe it'll get triples, but it's not going to get triples at this moment in time because I've got 2-inch SUs and I'm going to use them. So until I sorry about this, guys. But this is really bad. I know. This is really bad. This is bad. I've got to try and clean my hand off of brake fluid before I can try and turn the camera off. So that might sound really bad, but yeah. Anyway, so we are going to use this, and we're going to use them on this car. And so with all our bits we've got, including our just 2-inch SUs with large needles, I think it should be all right. I don't think she's going to be like putting out less brake horsepower than you would imagine, and I don't think she'll be putting out more. But the truth is, as long as it drives down the bloody road, does anybody really care? I mean, no, I'm actually trying to work my hands so I can turn the camera off now. I actually did spend a little bit of time here because I was looking at the chrome. You know how much about chrome wire wheels? Can you see? I'm going to get some of that chrome clean on this because I think they'll clean up. I think they will. I'm going to get some of that, you know, some of the acid one. And I reckon that with a bit of rubbing down, a bit of agitation, I can have some nice chrome wire wheels on there, pucker. So, yeah, I think that'd be good. So, I'm going to turn you off, guys, and say I haven't done the rock covers, which I wanted to do. I haven't done the throttle linkage, which I wanted to do. But I have done a bloody lot more than most people would have done. So,